Sallallahu ala habibihi Muhammad wa alihi wa sallam. Assalamu alaikum students, you must be fine hopefully today. Before starting this grammatical items, I want to give you some tips and tricks. Okay? Be fully focused. Keep your eyes fixed onto the board. Do not play with the paper or pencil or anything else. Do not look right side, left side, this side, that side, look back. That is a bad thing. They are the barriers. Looking back, looking left and right, looking around, playing with the pencil, playing with the paper. Okay? They are the barriers. Okay, that you can say that hinders your understanding. They you can say make your understanding hazy, blurry. You get a blurry understanding. Okay. If you want clear understanding, you need to be fully focused. Keep your eyes fixed onto the board. Okay. Let's start. Grammar. Complement. What is complement? A word or words necessary to complete a grammatical construction. Okay, or a word that completes a word that completes a subject, that may be a complement. Okay, for example, Nadeem has become a liar. If I say Nadeem has become, will you understand? If I simply say Nadeem has become, definitely there may arise a question in your mind, what Nadeem has come or what Nadeem has become. Okay, question arises until we place a liar over here or any other word, has become a doctor, has become an engineer. Okay, so this is called subject complement, that completes the subject. Okay, or it may be a complement. In general sense, we may call it a complement, but as Nadeem is a subject, that's the reason it has become a subject, that is completing the subject. Okay, the moment we have set a subject for a sentence, definitely we'll have to give a complete description of it, what the subject is doing, what the subject is. Okay. If we say Nadeem has become, it's incomplete. It gives a sense but not a complete sense. Until we place a liar over here, or any other word, or any other title that we want to give to Nadeem. Okay? So that completes the subject is called a subject complement. Okay, next one. They ran fast. They ran fast. Sometimes it is completed by a noun. A liar is a noun. Okay. Sometimes it is completed by, what is this? Past. What is past? Adjective. Adverb. They ran fast. How they ran? Adverb. Definitely. Manner. It shows manner. It answers the question how. It answers the question how. It means, it's again, if I simply say they ran, how they ran, definitely there will be a question in your mind, how they ran, or why they ran. Okay. Sometimes there arises a question. Okay. So this fast word is completing the subject there. Fast is completing subject there. That's the reason fast is a subject complement. Okay? That completes the subject. Next one, words used as a complement. There may be different place, be attentive. It is your hard work. Okay, and you may take a good benefit of your hard work. Be very focused. Sit still. She looks beautiful. Okay? What is beautiful?
Adjective.
And if simply I say she looks, definitely, you will ask me how she looks. Okay. I look, how you look, or what you look. Okay? So it may also be called an adjective complement. Okay? Again, in simple words, it's a complement. It may be an adjective. Okay? The situation is this. Again, or if I simply say the situation is, what does it mean? Give some sense, but not a complete sense, until we write the pronoun this. Again, the situation is what? What is the situation? The situation. Be very attentive, be alert. The situation is subject. And what is this?
Pronoun.
Okay. And actually it is a complement. Subject complement. That is completing the subject situation. He wants to tell that subject complement may be an adverb, it may be an adjective, it may be a pronoun, it may be any other thing like this. The book appears interesting. What is interesting? Present participle. Okay. So a complement may be a present participle, subject complement. And what is the subject in this sentence?
The book.
The book is a subject. And which word is completing the subject?
Interesting.
And what is basically interesting?
Present participle.
Interesting is basically participle. Okay? The subject is completed by a present participle. The subject is completed by an adjective. The subject is completed by a pronoun. Okay? Next one. The train is to start. The subject is completed by
To start.
infinitive. Again, it's a subject, complement, but it is completed by infinitive. Water is everywhere.
Adverb.
Everywhere shows a place.
Adverb.
Okay. It means subject is completed by adverb. Okay. So subject may be completed by any parts of speech. Any of these parts of speech. Okay. That will be called a subject complement. Clear? Next one. There are two types of complement, subject complement and object complement. One, the word that completes the subject, that is called subject complement, and the word that completes the object, that is called object complement. Sit up, sit properly. Looking back is also a barrier. Looking to other students is also a barrier in understanding. Please do not put barriers in your understanding. There may not be barriers. Subject complement, a complement which describes the subject is called a subject complement. She looks worried. Again, she looks beautiful, she looks worried. She is what? What is she?
Subject.
As, and it is completed by worried. It is completed by worried.
Subject.
That is subject complement. And what is basically worried? What is worried basically? Like adverb, Adverb and adverb and adjective.
Adjective.
Adjective, I think it's a quality. Okay. Maybe a negative quality. Object complement. A complement which describes the object is called an object complement. Which completes the object, that is called an object complement. There is a common perception in our minds that a sentence needs a subject, a verb and an object. Let me tell you, even then that sentence is not complete. A complete sentence needs subject, verb and object. But even then sometimes that sentence does not give a complete sense. Gives a sense, but does not give a complete sense. Okay? They, what is they? Subject. What is elected? Verb. What is him?
Object.
Object. What is captain? Another object. Object 1 and object 2. I am writing a little 1, object 2, a little 2. There may be 2 objects, 3 objects in a sentence. Okay? So they elected him. If I simply say they elected him, sentence needs subject, verb and object. It should be completed, but even then it is not giving a complete sense. Because it needs another object to complete to give a complete sense to it. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So this is what? What is captain?
Object.
OC, object complement. Because captain is completing the object him. That completes the object. Easiest, shortest definition is that completes the object is called
Object complement.
object complement, and that completes the subject is called
Subject complement.
subject complement. It may be an adjective, it may be a pronoun, it may be a verb, it may be an infinitive, okay, and it may be like any other thing, present participle or pronoun or things like that. Okay, next one is, I considered him a dishonest person. I considered him a dishonest person. Okay? You will tell me because you are looking back. Which one is subject in this sentence? I want to see the level of your attention. I want to check the level of your attention.
I is the subject.
I is the subject and verb you only. Just
Considered.
hold on. Considered is the verb. And what is object?
Him.
What is object? Him is an object. Object 1. And what is another object?
Dishonest person.
Honest person.
A dishonest person. Object 2. Which one is completing the object?
Dishonest person.
Dishonest person is completing who?
Him.
It is completing him. So it is called
Object complement.
dishonest is an object complement. It is an object complement because it is completing him. That is the subject. Clear? I think the time is over. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Keep repeating it time and again. Tomorrow I will again, take a short test, oral test in the class. Okay, before writing this lecture or during this lecture is being written, I'll take a short test of these grammatical items. Have a nice time. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.